Alright guys, so welcome back to another video, and today sort of a good news for you guys who are living in the European country. The Galaxy S9 stable One UI update, or also known as the new One UI, comes with Android Pie and is now rolling out to Europe. So sort of an early Christmas gift for you guys those of you who are using the Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus, you are so blessed you're gonna get the update already. So it seems that the initial plan of the rollout was actually next year January, but it still happens Samsung decided to release it to those who are in the European countries. So you can see we have a screenshot here of the changelog size and the UI version. You can see it's changed, and this is the new baseband version, which is this two. And yeah, so you can flash this on Sam Mobile. Not mistaken, you can go to Sam Mobile to flash the firmware if you want to try it out for yourself. Yep, and this also notice that it's rolling out to beta testers and stable users of Android Aerial, which is fantastic. So if you are somewhere in Europe or you're living somewhere in the European countries, you can go to settings and try updating to see whether you get the update or not. If that didn't happen, then it's not ready yet. But for other countries, I don't know when it's coming, but I hope it comes to other countries pretty quickly, as I mean, most of you guys are waiting for this UI. I think it's nice, so it's a welcoming change in my opinion. And for those using the Note 9, I'm not sure when is that coming, but it should be around the corner. Should be next year, not mistaken. Yeah, it should be next year. I don't think there's any schedule or something. Yeah, they don't have any schedule, but should be next year. Those of you using the Note 9, Note 8 and the S8 as well, those of you are using those devices will get the Pie update with One UI. If you're using maybe an older Galaxy S7 or the Note 7, no, there's no Note 7, sorry, exploded. The S7 or other mid-range devices, I'm not sure when it's coming out. So yeah, but right now I only have the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8 with me. I don't have an S9 or Note 9. So yeah, but once it arrives, obviously I will make a video on it and show you guys the initial experience and whether you should upgrade or not. So yep, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you very much for watching this quick update on the Android Pie update for the Galaxy S9, Note 9, S8 or Note 8. So yep, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.